All right, so welcome back to the Civil FE exam review. Today in this video, we're going to be looking at a topic that is covered in surveying called area computations. Now, area or finding the area is not super difficult, but I did want to go through it because it will be asked on your exam, and sometimes they're not going to draw pictures for you, so you still need to be able to read the question and be able to assume the correct things so that you can get these easier questions correct. So let's look at some of the practice problems. All right. So for area computations, number 1 says find the total area of a composite parcel made up of a rectangle, which is 60 meters by 80 meters, and a triangle. The base is 40 meters and the height is 30 meters. Your answer should be in square meters. Okay, so let's start with the given information. They give us the dimensions of a rectangle and a triangle. And they want us to find total area. All right. Okay, so this is a composite shape. So let's just draw this out. We got a rectangle, and that piece of it is 60 by 80. All right, so this is my 60 by 80. Okay. And there's also a triangle attached to it. That is, the base is 40 and the height is 30. So I can just imagine this. Height is 30. Base is 40. Okay, and the composite shape, right, is this whole thing. We want to find this whole area. Right. Now remember this, your base of the height is 30 and the base is 40. So I'll just write that in there. Okay. All right, how would we go about finding this area? This horrible. Try this again. This is 30. Okay. So how would I go about finding this area? Well, what is the area of a triangle? If you ever forget these, I believe in the, like it might be statics section, they have a place where, yeah, they give you how to find area of different shapes. So area and centroid. All right, so we know for a rectangle, it's just base times height. We know for a new type of triangle, it's based 1/2 times base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Okay. Alrighty, so let's get into it. So for the triangle, I'm just gonna add them up separately. So area of the triangle is equal to, it's gonna be base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2, which is equal to, what's our base? 40. What's our height? 30. Divide that by 2. And we get what? I get 600 meters squared. All right, what about our rectangle? The area of the rectangle is equal to 60 times 80, the base times the height, which is equal to 4,800 meters squared. All right, so what's our total? It's going to equal to the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle, right? Which is equal to 600 plus 4,800. This is all meters squared, of course. And so for my answer, I get 5,400 meters squared, or D. Hey everybody, I know I didn't take time to formally introduce myself at the beginning, so I did want to let you know who I am and how I can best serve you as you're studying for your Civil FE exam. So my name is James Huntley, and I am a civil engineer who has helped hundreds of individuals pass and dominate their Civil FE exam. Now, I know this test is tough, and as you're going through material, you may be saying, I don't remember learning this stuff, or gosh, these variables are so confusing, or you just feel like you're really busy and there's so much material that you need to go through that it's a bit overwhelming. So I did want to let you know that I do help and work with individuals one-on-one to ensure that they pass their Civil FE exam. And I've had individuals that have worked with me for 10 weeks, and that's the longest that it has been. And I've had individuals that have worked with me for 2 weeks, and we went back to back, day after day after day, hours on hours on hours, putting in the work, working together to ensure that they went ahead and passed, right? And this exam is so important because I know that you want to make more money. I know that you want to, get some promotions and be able to further your career and have your PE. So definitely want to open and extend a hand out. Want to be able to save you time, right? Because I know some people that watch my videos, you may have been watching my videos for 6, 9, even 12 months, and you still haven't passed your Civil FE exam. And that is the one thing that's keeping you from making more income, more impact, and furthering your career. So it's definitely costing you money, resources, everything. So looking to create more success stories. I am looking to work with individuals one-on-one. I want to hop on Zoom with you. I want you to share what you're doing as you're solving these problems, so I can spot out what you may be struggling with and open your eyes so that you're not going into this test completely blind. Now, for some of you, you may have failed a test once, twice, had some people fail 5 times, or you may be wanting to take this test initially and you just want to make sure that you pass it up front. So do have one-on-one services. I also have some do-it-yourself courses that if you're like, no, I got this, I got it all on my own, I know everything, or I'm gonna take the time to study everything, I do have some resources and materials to be able to help you in that way. But my biggest fear is that you're investing in something, these programs or these courses, and you're not getting back or having proper feedback to help you and to push you forward. You're just giving a bunch of information and no one's sharing with you what you may be actually struggling with or what's keeping you from passing your FE exam. So looking to create a ton of success stories. So feel free, down in the description box below, I have a ton of resources, including one-on-one coaching. Let's hop on a call. It's no cost to you as far as, us talking through your goals and what you're trying to do, and kind of getting a feel for where you're at. So have some programs where I can work with you one-on-one, And there's also some do-it-yourself courses, practice exams, study guides, resources, free material, all of that down in the description box below. So feel free to check out that stuff. If you like the video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. This is what I do. We want to get you to the next phase of your civil engineering career. And leave a comment if you had any questions about what I went through, the information that I covered. And feel free to definitely schedule a call with me, and looking forward to creating more success stories. So be sure to check out this next video